Tips that anyone who has a dog should know. There are a lot of breeds of dogs, and lots of different families. That means there's a lot to consider when it comes to taking care of your dog. This video will tell you how to care for him once home. Look into subsidized health care for your dog if money is tight. Many local communities, in cooperation with groups like the SPCA, offer discounted services that have proven invaluable to dog owners. Look into getting your dog spayed or neutered and vaccinated for a fraction of veterinary costs at a sponsored event probably close by to you. Just contact the SPCA or an animal shelter in your town. When training your puppy or dog, keep the sessions short. Experts say that a dog has the attention span of a small child, sometimes less, and that longer sessions will actually cause him to forget everything you've learned together. Use positive reinforcement and limit your training sessions to no more than 15 minutes. Never lose your temper or punish your dog if you find that they did something wrong. Negative reinforcement will simply make your dog scared, which will make it difficult for you to train them. Use positive reinforcement at all times to get your dog to cooperate when teaching him new things. Do you have a wrinkly dog, like a bulldog? If so, you have to be conscientious about the grooming process in order to help keep your pet clean. After you brush, take a baby wipe and use it to get in between the folds on their body. Make sure, though, to get them fully dry after doing so. Keep table scraps to a minimum. If you do, he will hang around you constantly wanting more every time you eat. Your dog may also stop eating his own food as much. People food can also make dogs sick and contribute to obesity. Put your dog in another room while the family eats, and do not allow him to re-enter the dining space until dinner is done. Research a particular breed of dog you may be interested in before bringing him home. Lots of people make the mistake of falling in love with a type of dog, then find out later that the animal isn't really for them. Chihuahuas, for example, are a trendy type, but very difficult to fully potty train, especially in colder climates. Do not try to feed your dog something they do not like. Some dogs won't love all treats, and you shouldn't push your dog to like something. Upon initially bringing a dog into the home, spend some time discovering its likes and dislikes. If your dog has long hair, make sure to take the time to trim the fur around his feet. If you allow your dog's hair to grow too long, they can get things stuck in their fur. This could lead to injuries between the pads of the feet and around the nails. Are you now more knowledgeable on how to care for your dog? This advice will get rid of any worry you had about your dog. Implement these tips into your daily lifestyle to help ensure your family pet is always taken care of. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.